Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. So I'm sure you're probably wondering why I have two different colored eyebrows. Okay. So anyway, let's go to the backstory. I had uploaded my Kat Von D brow video. At this point, it was yesterday, and people were telling me that I was having a completely different experience with them than other people. They were like, oh my god, they're so creamy and so pigmented and they're so easy to use. But in my first impression, like, they were really dry and really hard to use. So I spent all day editing it, got it up, and I started watching other people's videos, and I was like, this is really weird. So like, I totally need to play around with these again and see like what is going on. Like, maybe I have a bad product, or I don't know. So after that, I went and played around and I put these brows on, and my experience was completely different. They were so creamy, they were so easy to use. The brush like worked perfectly with it. I had no problems with them whatsoever. So I was like, what the hell? How could it be so dry in the morning and then at night like completely exactly how they're supposed to be with everyone else, like the same experience as everyone else with them? So I was like, it's gotta just be like from taking it out of the package. You know how something's like super tightly packed? I mean, it was in a tray, in a box, in another box, in another box, that like the moisture could have been sucked out of it, or they were just super cold from shipping, and then once they had all day to adjust to room temperature, that it was exactly the way it was supposed to be. So that's what I'm going with. And I even did these, and then I was editing all night and I was so tired I ended up falling asleep before taking these off. So I actually slept with these on, and it's actually pretty good because it's really cool. They just like stay on and don't move. Alright, so I'm going to remove these now. I just wanted to kind of show you, and then I will be giving a proper tutorial and review of the pomades from Kat Von D because I think that they deserve it. Alright, so here is my before. And I'm going to use Aubergine again because of the experience yesterday. I'll just insert a clip here so that you can see how it was applying yesterday when I first got them. And then I'm going to show you how they are now. And I'm just going to ombre that with the magenta. And I am going to use the brush. So, taking the lid off. And I didn't dip my brush right in here yesterday. I scooped it out and put it on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna kind of work that around just to make sure it's really warmed up. And this is the brow done. Alright, so there are my brows done, and as you can see, they're so much creamier and pigmented and they don't look dry at all. Alright, so I'm just really annoyed that people were trying to say that oh, well, Becca, since you're so used to liquid lipsticks, you just don't know how to use the product yet. Swerve. That really pissed me off because no, I know how to use a pomade. I used to use ABH Dip Brow all the time. The product was legit dry when I used it yesterday morning. It wasn't because I just didn't know how to use it. It was actually dry. You saw it in the footage. So that just annoyed me. And the fact that people were trying to make me feel like I was crazy because my product was so much different than everyone else's. Anyway, I'm going to finish my face and then I will come back and give you my final thoughts. So in closing, I actually really do like the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomades. If you saw my other video, which I did take down, you saw that they were super dry when I first used them. I don't know what kind of magic went down yesterday from the morning to when I used them at night and to now, but something definitely did happen to the product. Maybe it just needed time to adjust to room temperature after being in the package. I don't know. But I do really like them and I think they're a really, really cool product. Thumbs up to Kat Von D and Kat Von D Beauty. I'm excited that colored brows are becoming so mainstream because I love them and I've been doing them for so long. And it's cool to see people appreciate it more. Although I wish that when I first started doing them, all those rude comments about, ew, that's so weird, why would you ever do that? Or like when I did the rainbow brow, like people were coming at me, like really like verbally assaulting me. I wish that it didn't take this product to make colored brows acceptable, but I am glad that they are more widely accepted now. Alright, and I'm gonna just stop rambling because I usually get myself into trouble when I open my mouth too much. Alright, let me know what you thought in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.